Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on BingX mobile application. To turn on or enable dark mode on BingX, first of all, launch open the BingX application and log into your account. By default, you will be able to see a white background whenever you open up BingX app. To change that to something dark, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now in the expanded menu, scroll down and tap on Preferences under Settings. Under Preferences, tap on Appearance. Tap on Dark and you will be able to enable dark mode right away. That is how you easily enable dark mode on your BingX application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.